Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you convert a Word file into a PDF file. So suppose you have a Word file available with you and you want to convert it to a PDF, then what are you gonna do? So for this this is the Word file that I'm gonna take. I have created a simple Word file with just one sentence, but this would work with Word file of any size. So once you have procured a Word file, you just need to go to your favorite browser and type ilovepdf.com/word to PDF. Now this link, if you find hard to get, you can simply just Google the name of the tool, which is ilovepdf.com, and select convert Word to PDF. So once you do that, you will stumble across on this page and it would allow you to select the Word file. So I will just select this one Word file and click on open, and then click on convert to PDF. So it would take a few seconds and it would be given a PDF for you to download. So then I can just download and save this file onto my personal computer. And once this download is complete, then you will be able to see that whatever the contents of your Word file were, they are now available in the form of a PDF file like this. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.